So if you've been struggling to make money online and you're looking for a done-for-you affiliate marketing system under $100, then this video is for you. My name is Richard Hairston, and what I'm going to share with you in this video is a turnkey residual income system where 80% of every dollar comes back to you. You can get your complete business system and a free overview. Okay, all of this is done for you. This page is done for you. The video sales page is done for you. A gift that you're going to send your leads is done for you, and the emails are done for you. So the only thing you have to do is promote your affiliate link. So as I said before, you're going to get this page, but what I want you to do, okay, after you get through watching this video, you can pause the video right now, is click the link in the description. It's going to take you to my page that looks exactly like this. Put in your name and your best email to get instant access. Okay, then you're going to come over to this page. This is the exact same page that you're going to get. It's already done for you. Nothing that you have to do. A short 3-minute video by Paul, my mentor, and he's going to be mentoring you, so you don't have to worry about that. You can watch this video. Please watch the video. Read this information on the page, okay? Because in this video, he also mentions that over here we have an icon or a AI bot named Sage, and what Sage does is she answers all of the questions that anybody has to ask you. The only thing you have to do is refer them back to Sage here on the sale page and let her do all of the question answering, the selling and telling, and hopefully closing for you. What we're trying to do is make it so easy where you're not put on the spot but trying to answer questions that you don't know the answer to. And then if you're telling somebody the way that I don't know, I'll go get it, you have to come in the group or contact somebody, get the answer from them, and then go back. But they can ask their question right here in Sage, and Sage will do all of that for you. So that's done. You don't have to do all of that. Just refer them back to this page. Okay, so you read this page right here. I highly encourage you to read it. Okay, everything on this page. You can watch the videos here. Okay, once you get through doing that, you'll see the commission that's been paid out, over $6 million, almost $7 million as of February the 5th. You can see the amount that you're going to be making, okay, or that you can earn from each product. One product, the Let's Goal is $10 a month, but you earn $88 residual, $25 per month funnel builder, $20 residual, $125 premium, $100 residual. All three $128 in residual. Okay, so that's $128 per person every month, as long as they stay. 2 referrals equal positive cash flow. Okay, that means your business is free and you're making money, not 10, not 20, just 2 people all you need. Here are the actual residuals that you can earn. 2 people can earn you $96 per month. That's $256 residual income, but your net is going to be $96 per month. So you can read all of this right here. If you're looking to if you just want to make an extra $1,100 a month, then the only thing you need 10 people who are willing to invest $128 per month. Make it your goal to start off with 2. Then move up to the next goal, get 5, 10, however many. Make it a goal to do that. 24 referrals equals a full-time income. Okay, so all of the tools and everything that you need right here on this page is going to be explained to you. As I said before, you get this exact same page, and here's the beauty of it. This is for only to get you started today. You get for $35. This is under the $100. When you join the Home Business Academy, you can get started today with the triple residual income starter pack. That's the Let's Go app, 7 family accounts, HBA funnel builder, 2 weeks of free premium trial. That's $125 per month after the trial. Sage automation, all of this right here you get for only $35. Click the start button. You're going to come over here to this page, fill out this information, and then you're going to have access to this. Once you get started, you're going to receive an email from Mike, who's going to explain to you the next steps that you need to do, which when you bring somebody in, guess what? Mike does that as well. You do not have to do any explaining or training. Okay, just get them started. That's all you have to do. Once you get started, what you want to do, and you follow that video from Mike, get everything set up, you're going to come to this page right here. Now, you're either going to see this page, but more than likely, you're probably going to see Let me see if I click right here. You're probably going to see the Let's Go page. It's what you're going to see. So what you want to do is simply come down up here at the top. You see the funnel builder, Let's Go. You have the funnel builder here. You have premium here. These are the 3 residual products. And if you decide you want the Literacy Academy, you can get that later. But what you want to do, whether you land on this page here or this page here, you want to come over to the affiliate section. Under the affiliate section, you can scroll down, and here's where you're going to find your affiliate link that you can use. What you want to do is you can do tracking in this link. So if you were going to run traffic with any solo ad provider, or even posting on Facebook or YouTube video, TikTok, you want to know where that traffic is coming from. So if you were going to do TikTok, you can come down here and you can put you can come down here and you would put, okay, I think that's TikTok V1 for video 1, and then you will simply copy that link and put it in your put it on your bio in your TikTok. So you know I don't know much about TikTok, but I think you would put that in your bio in TikTok, so you could do that. Okay, so but this is going to be your traffic link. If you're doing YouTube videos, you just simply put YouTube video, whatever, you know, whatever video it is, video 1 or whatever, and it's going to be right there, so you can do that. Now this is going to show you where your traffic coming from. This is going to show you also inside of here where your sales are coming from as well, and you'll be able to see your leads below here, below this as well. And if you wanted to redirect this, you can do it with a domain name that you already have, or you can do it inside of the funnel builder when you connect a domain name to the funnel builder. But here's another beautiful thing. We have what we call Domain Scout right here, so we can actually look up a personalized domain for you. So if you click on that right there, you can find the availability of domain name all down through here. It's going to give you some ideas. So you have that right there. So what we want to do, I'm going to leave this off of here because I'm going to do something. I'm just going to copy this link, and the tracking, I'm going to show you some tracking that I do to know that, especially if you're running solo ads traffic, I don't care who it's from, what vendor you're using, you want to be tracking your traffic. You want to track it as deep as you can. So the tracking software I'm using is called Clicker Vault. And what you can do with Clicker Vault, it's a simple tracking system. I'm still learning how to set everything up, but I got the gist of it. So what you're simply going to do is you're going to create a link. Okay, you're going to create a campaign, or create a new link rather. And I'm just going to name it, I think I put, let me see, I'm going to put turnkey system. And that's what it's going to put it over here. So just leave, don't worry about that. Just leave it as is, okay? The next thing you're gonna do is add a target here, or either one of these buttons, click add target. You can come over here and name it turnkey system. Put your affiliate link here, okay? This is where you're gonna put your affiliate link right there. You can set up UTM and all of that right there as well. And you can set up tracking and all of that, okay? All of this right here, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to cancel that. We're going to come back to not UTM. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to add and close. And so now your tracking is over here. Let me move over this way a little bit. Now your tracking, here's your tracking. If you want to see your stats and things, you can click on that right there. You can see all of your stats and things like that. Okay, and then you have your dots right here. If you want to delete it, you can delete it right here before you do that, before you actually click the create link. So we're going to create it right now. So it's saving, and here is your link up here, Richard Clicker Vault, whatever, turnkey system. Then you have the URL builder, okay? And this is great simply because if you're using Traffic Zest, like I'm going to use Traffic Zest, you can click on URL builder here, and you can use a custom where you can set up your own UTM sources down through here. And this is your link. You can do a direct link, okay? You have some parameters down through here that you can set up as well, but we're going to do redirect here. Okay, and then you can do Google ads if you want to, Facebook ads if you want to, TikTok ads and things like that. Okay, so we're going to go with Traffic Zest because that's what we're going to be using, and all of the parameters are in here. So what you would do using Traffic Zest, you simply click copy here. Okay, come over to Traffic Zest, a link for Traffic Zest and Clicker Vault will be in the description. Come over to Traffic Zest and create a new campaign. You have to add funds. Okay, so it's going to be $100. You have to add funds to it, but click on create new campaign, and we're going to do campaign name. You just name it Turnkey System HBA, whatever you want to name it, and you put that link right here. Now this is going to track the providers inside of this system. So here's what you can do. Now understand what I'm about to say. With this in here and having this type of tracking, what you can do, we're going to leave it start. I'm going to show you in a minute. Leave that start campaign now, no end date. Come down here. The vertical is make money online. The traffic providers, keep empty for all providers. You can click here and choose providers. Okay, what you can do. So I'm going to leave it all providers. For the countries, I'm just going to leave, I'm just going to pick, let's see. I'm gonna go USA, United States of America. You can pick some other countries as well if you want to, or you can go with top tier English speaking country. All of those right there. Okay. Device type automatically. Do not smartphone, will eat your budget. Desktop only. Okay. And the tags for operating system, I just leave that alone. Search tags. I like to go with email clicks on that. Okay. For my budget. So if you notice your campaign summary over here, if you come over here, down here, based on your current targeting, there are 1,085 clicks available per day at the cost of 39 cents to $1.02. Now you have to decide how much do you want to bid or per cost. So what you could do, start off low. I would say somewhere between 50 cents. Okay. That's saying warning, you can get at best 286 clicks per day. That's pretty good. You want to start low. Total budget, you can stop it when it reaches a certain point. You can do $5 per day, or you can do $10 per day. If you want to up that budget, you can go and just to see what the numbers say, you can take this up to, let's see, 75 cents. Okay. But if you really wanted to go up, get everybody in it, you would just go let me go back 0.02. Now you'll have everybody covered. Okay. In here, that's every vendor that's in this list. Okay. Possibly will send you traffic. But here's the thing, leaving this wide open. Now what it does is, leaving this wide open, because of the tracking that you have up here, this is going to show you what provider is sending you good traffic and which provider is sending you bad traffic. Okay, because over here in here, the turnkey system, you're going to be able to come here. Let me get it. Come to these dots right here. Let me go. Let's save changes if I don't know if I made any changes. But you'll be able to come here and you'll be able to see reports. And you're going to see the target performance and all of that right there. This is going to tell you, if I click on it, this is going to tell you suspicious clicks, okay, from vendors and things like that. You know, the total clicks, unique clicks, suspicious bad traffic, events, conversions, refunds. Now, the only thing about refunds, you won't know that because you have no way of putting tracking code on either one of these pages. Okay, so but you're going to have all of that in here using this link inside of Traffic Zest. Now, what you can do, as I said before, put this in here. Make sure this is in here. And then you can leave this wide open, okay? But understand, you have to keep check on it, okay? Keep check on this, because what's going to happen is you'll be able to come in here once you get this set up and done. You'll be able to come in here and actually check out your visitors and things like that. See what solo ad provider, what vendor is giving you the best traffic, what vendor is eating up your budget, okay, and not giving you good quality traffic. So that's how you do that with the system right there. So it's easily done. What I'm going to do in the next video is I'm going to actually walk through the entire process of setting this up from beginning to finish, and we're going to actually set up a campaign. Going to actually set up a campaign, and so you can start, just follow along with me and get going in the right direction. So go ahead right now, click the link in the description, get your turnkey system. Everything is done for you, okay? Get inside of here, get your affiliate links, okay? You get your affiliate link by clicking on this button right here, and your other affiliate links will be over here where it says affiliate links there, okay? So you have all of your affiliate links will be right here, and get inside of the social and just see what's going on inside of here. So go ahead, click the link in the description, get your system set up, grab your affiliate link, okay? One more time, affiliate, just scroll down till you see it, copy it. You can put tracking on it. If you don't want to set up Clicker Vault, you can put tracking on it, and you can go from there, okay? So with that being said, set up your system, get it done. Use the Clicker Vault. There's a link for it in the description as well. And if you wanted to delete this right here, you can just come here and say delete, and boom, it's deleted. It is gone. For your campaign, we never did set it up, but we're gonna walk through a real case, real step-by-step action plan to get you going. I just want you to get signed up today, so when the next video drop, you'll be ready to go. So with that being said, have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace, and get your turnkey system.